Now on to weather updates from across the northeast and beyond. Fairly widespread to moderate rainfall accompanied with thunderstorm, lightning and gusty winds with speeds of 30 to 40 km per hour are very likely over Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Meghalaya, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram and Tripura during the next 7 days. While isolated heavy rainfall is likely over Sikkim over the next few days, Arunachal on the 19th of May and Assam and Meghalaya from today till 20th May. Hot and humid weather is likely to prevail over Assam and Tripura. Well, top weather experts indicated that the timely arrival of rains over the parts of South Peninsular India, Northeast and Maharashtra as well. On the national front, mainly clear skies are expected in the national capital Delhi with strong surface winds expected during the day. Maximum temperature is expected to reach 43 degrees Celsius and minimum temperature will be 25 degrees Celsius. Well, partly cloudy skies are expected in the nation's financial capital Mumbai with temperatures fluctuating between 33 and 28 degrees Celsius. Meanwhile, reports say that meteorologists will soon be able to deploy drones, mobile vans and high-end instruments to track the Kal Baishakhi storms that affect the east and the northeastern regions of India every summer. Well, the proposed multi-crore rupees research test pit facility will cover a large area adjoining West Bengal, Odisha and Jharkhand. The control center will be at Chandbali in the Bhadrak district of Odisha, about 130 km east of Bhubaneswar.